In this video, you will learn how to use keyframes. Keyframe is the most important feature for edit any type of video. So let's begin. I have a car video which is normal, so we add keyframe in this video. So I am adding a keyframe in starting and second keyframe a little further. So now you can see both keyframes added but not working now, because we did not give any position to keyframes. So if I want a custom zoom in my video, so I will zoom on my second keyframe, so video will be zoom, and if you start the video, so it will comes from normal position to zoom, because we add a keyframe in starting which is on default position. So it will comes from normal position to a zoom position. And if I add one more keyframe and go back to the normal position, so it works like this. It's called keyframe. By keyframe you can adjust your video position according to your wish. So now I want that this video comes zoom with a rotating position, so I just go to second keyframe and just rotate my position. So it works like this, and your first and third keyframe would not affect, because you already set the position. Even your video comes from any movement, it will just end to your given position. Now I will change the position in downside. Just add keyframe and keep your video anywhere, it will go there automatically, like this. Now you can customize video position according to you. Now I will show you how you can use keyframes in any effect and other things like opacity. So go to opacity. And now I will add two keyframes, and I want to reduce opacity of video from first keyframe to second keyframe. It depends on the time between keyframe, you can do according to you. Now I just reduce the opacity on second keyframe, so it will work like this. And if I add one more keyframe and increase the opacity, then it works like this. So I hope you understand the keyframe function. Thank you. So overlay. Overlay is the most powerful feature of Capcut app. You can create unexpected videos from overlay if you know that how to use overlay option. So let's begin. Basically, you can add any photo or video as a layer on your main video. That's the use of overlay. So in this example, I have selected an image as a overlay on my video. You can adjust the position and also have option of blend, which you can use for transparent effect. So these blend feature works like this in overlays. So in second example, I used a same video as a overlay, and you can apply animation on this overlay which decide how you overlay video comes on screen with animation. Here are lots of animation effects which you can use, and also you can adjust the timing of animation. You can also use out animation which decide how your video comes on screen and out from screen. So here is an example. Now I will show you cutout feature which is highly popular on Instagram. Just click cutout icon and select customized cutout and brush on your object or car which you want to cut from video. So our car cutout is ready, and now you can adjust position also of this car cutout, which looks amazing. You can also use keyframes option to move your cutout or object. So I just add a keyframe in starting point and second keyframe a little further. So I set cutout in starting keyframe on same car position, and now I drag my cutout to upside on second keyframe, so it will automatically move my cutout like this. So if I add one more keyframe to move my cutout again on car position, simply add keyframe and drag your cutout to car position. Now it will look like this. Also you can use graph to make smooth animation of your cutout. So graph only can be add in between keyframes, so use any graph to create a smooth move. Here is an example. I hope you understand the cutout animation with keyframes. Now you can customize the cutout anywhere with keyframes. If you want to add premium effects in your video which looks stunning, just add any video and go to effects icon, then select video effects. So here are lots of amazing effects which you can use. So as example, I use this split flicker effect. And also you can adjust the position of effects like where you want to show these effects on video. And also you can adjust the effect speed, glow, intensity or timing. You can use multiple video effects in same video or customize every effect according to you. Here are very good effects which looks amazing. Now I will show you an advanced method to use video effects. If you want to use any effect in the background, like you don't want to apply the effect on a person or object but want that effect in the background. So just copy that clip and make it overlay. Now cut out that object or person which you want and set overlay in same as video position. Now effect will show on the main video. For body effects, you can add a photo or video of a person, then select body effects. So here are some cool effects which you can use in your own videos. These all are very popular effects which you can use for level up your videos. And here are also have photo effects which you can use only for photos like 3D zoom effect, anime effect and dissolve effect. So I hope you learned that how to use effects. Thank you. Now I will show you how to cut out a person from video in just one click and use it in magical way. Just add any person video as a overlay, then click cutout option. Now select remove background. It removes background if there is a person in the video. So our cutout is ready now. So you can use these type of background changing effect by this human cutout option. Now I will show you the trending puzzle or cutout animation. So basically, in these type of videos, a video part comes before the video so it looks amazing. Just stop the video starting point and click freeze option. Freeze option capture the picture of the same moment where the video starts. So we will extract the object, a person, anything from that freeze image. Just select the freeze image and click cutout option and remove background if a person in the video otherwise customized cutout. So our cutout is ready. Now just use keyframe to give animation or movement on your cutout. I used a keyframe in starting and second keyframe a little further, and I will reduce the size of cutout at starting keyframe. So it works like this. Also you can use graph between keyframes for smoothness, which gives a professional look to this cutout animation, like this. You can add animation effect like shake, or other effects for better version, so use any animation effect where your cutout matching the video. You can also use video effects. Just click video effects and select any effect, like I choose ripples effect from distortion section. And keep in mind, always switch your effect from object feature to use effect on video or overlay. I am using this effect on overlay, so I just set my effect on overlay, and now here is the final look. Amazing. Now I will show how you can cut the object from same video and put that cutout into background with animation and bounce with graph. Also it's called puzzle animation. So first go to the freeze option on main video and click freeze. It will create a same photo from video position, then turn into overlay and keep in same position. Now go to cutout on overlay and select customized cutout and cut the object. Now our cutout is ready, but it's showing above the video and I want to set cutout into behind the car. So just copy this cutout overlay and keep in same position. Now we have two cutouts. So keep second cutout on car position. And our first cutout will go behind the second cutout, so it will look like that our cutout is behind the car. I hope you understand this. You can adjust the position of layers. Basically layers are overlays, so you can also adjust that which overlay you want to keep above or below by selecting the layer 1 or 2. Now we use keyframes to move our cutout to give animation. Just I am adding a keyframe in starting and second keyframe a letter further, then I keep cutout on begin the car in first keyframe. And I will move the cutout upside from car on second keyframe, so my cutout will automatically move upside slowly according to keyframe's distance. If you rotate the car or adjust the size on second keyframe, so it will comes like this. So I add one more keyframe to go back my cutout on car position in proper size, so it works like this. Now I will create a puzzle cutout animation. So I will go further and stop on the second scene of the video and freeze the frame where second scene starts and freeze the frame for create a photo. Now make this photo as a overlay. And drag this photo part in previous video. Now delete the other part of photo from where the video starts. Now click cutout option and customized cutout to cut the object from photo. Our cutout is ready. Now you can add keyframes to move the cutout, like I add a keyframe in starting and second keyframe on end the cutout. So I drag the cutout in downside with reduce the size on first keyframe. And our second keyframe already set on same position, so it will work like this. Now you can add graph between keyframes for smooth move like this. So it comes perfectly, and now we will add effect when our cutout matching the video, so click on this icon which is between the clips. And here are lots of effect, but I choose a effect from distortion. So it works like this, which looks so amazing. So it's all just examples. You can create many different video by using effects, animation and keyframes. I hope you like this advanced cutout tutorial. Thank you. You can create amazing videos with mask option. So I have a video where some people are cycling, so I will change the video with mask after the pillar. So just add and keep your video where you want to change the video, then select main video and click mask option. Now select split and drag split line till the pillar only, then add a keyframe there and add a keyframe in starting and move split line left to complete the video. Now go to overlay and select mask option, then select split. Now rotate split line and keep split line left from the pillar starting like this, and now play the video and add keyframe in overlay to match the pillar according to video speed like this. Just repeat until overlay covers the full main video. And here is the example. Now I will show you how you can clone yourself with the mask option. Just shoot video in a stable frame and shoot yourself onto different positions but keep a gap between. Now add your video and split two videos, first where you stand right side and second where you are on the left side, then select second video and make it overlay. Now keep overlay with the main video. Now select overlay and click mask option and split and just keep split line between the clips. Now here is the example. You can create more clones, just keep the position perfectly and use mask option properly. You can also create this type of giant effect with masking. Just shoot your jumping video where buildings are in the background and also capture a video of same position without you. Now add both clips in Capcut and select buildings video or photo and convert into overlay. Now go to mask and split this overlay. This will be hide your half part and set your overlay on the top of building. And now keep in the mind that when you will above from the building, so just delete remaining overlay mask clip, otherwise you will stay in the background because of overlay. So here is the example. I show you many advanced examples of mask. Now you can also customize from your mind and create mind-blowing videos. Thank you. In this tutorial you will learn how to use filters, HSL, and adjustment for color correction. So in filters option, you can apply effects on your photo or video which you like the most. Here are lots of amazing filters which totally change your video quality which looks beautiful. And in adjust option you can manually customize your video color, exposure, sharpness, brightness and more. You can customize the brightness if your video is dark. Also you can use contrast and saturation for color correction and exposure to hide the video colors. Use sharpen for enhance the quality of video, just keep up to 30 to 40%. HSL is very useful feature to increase and customize the colors. It's called color grading. Just customize specific color of video, like if you want to adjust the blue color, which the girl is wearing jeans of blue color, simply select blue color in HSL, so you can customize the color according to you. Also if you want to adjust the red color, so just select the red color and customize. HSL turns your normal video into an attractive video. Vignette option is common effect, which you can see normally in many video. It's fade your video or photo border with dark black or white color which looks different. Also you can customize the temperature of video or photo according to you. It's like weather changing effect. In adjust have a option of video quality. It's an powerful feature. This feature works by analyzing the image data and removing any unwanted noise and make your video or photo clear and clean. So after filters, HSL and all adjustments, your video will look like this. I set the adjustments a little further so you can see the difference. So I hope you can use filters and HSL like this and you will create some awesome videos also. Thank you. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add auto captions in your video. If you are speaking or telling about something in a video, so you can add automatic captions for it. I have a video where an interview is going on.
And they have this amazing ability to create
but I want to add captions, so just go to text option, click on auto captions. If you are speaking clearly, so captions quality will be mind-blowing. Caption will appear on screen according to speech, so select any effect which you want to use for caption. I select this one. Now captions are generating.
And they have this amazing ability to create an environment where you feel like I've got no chance here.
You can also customize the captions font, style or animations. Just select your caption text and go to style, and here you can change everything as you like. And if captions have some mistakes, which happens sometimes, so you can correct the text by clicking on batch edit, and here you can correct every mistake. Now I will show you how you can style your captions, font, animation and size. So here is an example, watch it carefully.
And they have this amazing ability to create an environment where you feel like I've got no chance here.
So it's just an example. You can customize much better in your way. Just use fonts, color, animation according to you. Now I will show you text effects and animation. Click text icon, and here you can see add text option. When you click it, so you can add text on your photo or videos and also change the fonts styles by Capcut fonts, or you can add your custom fonts also by just import your fonts. In style option you can change your font color, shadow, opacity and background according to your video, and here is a popular glow text option which you can use and customize the glow intensity. Also you can use a background in text with color customization which looks great and easy to read for viewer. In effects, here are lots of ready-made text presets in every color which you can direct use in your text, and your text will looks professional. Just select any preset and use it. In the animation feature, you can set your text how it comes with the animation on your video, and also you can adjust the timing or speed of text. In out option, you can set your text how it goes from screen with animation, and you can use both in and out animation for a single text. So I chosen both animation, so your text will look like this. In the loop option, your text will be animate full time. Just select any loop animation and your text will be moving, sliding, blinking all the time according to your text style. So now you can customize your text animation with the sound effects, which boost your editing level. So I have a text, I will use animation then add sound accordingly. I am using a glitch animation, so I will add a sound of glitch and set with my text timing. So here is an example. You can use any animation with the sound effects, which turns your boring videos into an attractive presence. I hope you understood the text animation and effects. Then just create some amazing videos by yourself. Thank you. Hello viewers, I'll show you how to use Capcut features from scratch. So first we start from first option, which is audio. So when you click this audio icon, you will see many options. First is sound. In sound option you will see inbuilt Capcut sounds and music which you can use in your video. Brand music and copyright options is not much usable, so avoid them. Next is sound effects. When you click sound effect icon, so you will see lots of sound effects which is ready to use in your video. You can use these sounds in your short tech video tutorials. So as example, I just search a typing keyboard sound. So this is an example sound. Next option is extracted. You can import any video sound from this option. Just click extracted icon and import any video. Then your video sound will be convert into sound only like this.
So Mrs. How come you're up so early? Mrs. How come you're up so early? Say if you were headed where
You can adjust or set the sound in your main video anywhere. Also you can split your sound and drag to anywhere. You can adjust the sound loudness by using fade in or fade out feature like this.
Mrs. How come you're up so early? Say if you were headed where I'm headed, you'd be up early too. Mrs. How come you're up so early? Say if you were headed where I'm headed, you'd be up early too. If you were gonna meet who I'm gonna.
Also you can use voice effects to give a different look to your voice or sound by choosing any style from these options.
Mrs. How come you're up so early? Say if you were headed. Mrs. How come you're up so early? Say if.
Mrs. How come you're up so early? Say if you were headed where.
So now I am showing you a powerful feature which is beats. You can add beat points in your music to identify where your sound have beats, so you can adjust the animation or effects according to beats. Just add beats according to your music. I am just showing you an example how this beats feature works. I added beats and now music bar shows yellow dots where is beats, so you can cut or apply effects on beats points in main video or overlay. So this is an example. You can use any effect. Here are lots of effects which looks professional, and now I am adding vertical blur according to beats, so when beats comes my effects will be appear on video. This was an example only. You can customize and create effects and sounds according to you. So our audio tutorial is completed. In text feature, you will see a sticker option. When you click on it, you will see many attractive and amazing animated sticker which you can add in your photo or video. Just select any sticker according to your video category, and also you can add multiple stickers at a time, or you can also customize the position and size of stickers. Here is an option to give animation to your stickers like text animation, so your sticker will appear on screen with animation and go out with animation also. You have one more option in sticker section, where you can see a photo icon. By clicking on it, you will be able to use any logo, PNG, or any image as a sticker also. If you want to add lyrics in your photo or video, just add music and click on text icon, then select auto lyrics option, so it will generate automatic lyrics for your song. If your video already have sound, then select from video option, otherwise select audio and click start. Now lyrics are in processing.
I'm tryna put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes. Really point two just to hurt you.
Now our lyrics are generated perfectly. And if your lyrics have some mistakes, so you can also correct it by click on batch edit, and here you can change wrong words or letters. Also you can customize your lyrics by style option. You can change the font, effects, animation and more like this.
I'm tryna put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes.
So this is just an basic example to show you. Now you can create it by yourself better. Thank you. In the text feature, you can see a text templates option, where you get pre-made text templates which you can use in your photo or videos. Also you can change the text and use in many better ways. So in this video, a guy is walking in the normal speed. To add slow-mo effect, just split your video from where you want to start slow-mo, then select the clip and click speed icon, then adjust the speed on 0.3 seconds. 0.3 seconds is the perfect slow-mo time. Now this slow-mo is good but not perfect. Maximum people do this and just export the clip. But here is an advanced method which give you a slow-mo which is on pro level. Just click on make it smoother button and select better quality. This will take some time, but the slow-mo will be super smooth. So here is an example, guys. You can also use graph for custom slow or fast motion. Just click speed option, then select curve, and here you can see many graph which already created. But you can create yourself by click on custom, and now here is an example. Now adjust graph according to your music and create good videos. Thank you.